IIND projects allow us to bring together a consortia of SMEs and academia to really look at new ways to overcome the decommissioning challenge. The toolbox-style approach really allows the system to be scaled to overcome much larger decommissioning problems. We believe our system can be applied to most decommissioning challenges due to its versatility and optional tooling range.
So in developing the IDS5R system, we looked at a number of areas where decommissioning could be improved. Key areas where we saw was, could we remove the need for sampling and external analysis and use both new instruments and new data analysis techniques to improve the performance of the actual decommissioning planning process?
Using our 6sense data analytics, we bring together the data from the characterization and reconnaissance stages and make it available at the control desk, so the operators can see 3D maps and data feeds, which give them a much better understanding of the operations within the cell.
We identified one of the biggest risks and one of the most complex challenges is actually removing the waste from its current location to a point where it can be safely size reduced. So we looked at how we could reduce working at height and removing waste safely. And finally, we saw that actually removing people from the work environment completely would make it a safer environment to work within. Reducing the need to work at height seems a really important area where we could innovate within the project. If we could remove the need to put in scaffolding and put operators into the environment, firstly we reduce the risk to the operators, but we'd also reduce the secondary waste requirements. If we could remove the need for complex lifting arrangements as well, we could also reduce the time and the cost for the programme. The project developed a self-forming inflatable system that could be remotely filled within the environment. This enables us to lower large sections of the plant and support structures as a single piece down to the ground, where it can then be size reduced at ground level, improving safety. The system was developed based on a toolkit methodology, whereby various tools could be brought together and integrated in a common methodology, but the right tools could be selected for the task in hand.
It was really impressive to see how all the partners came together throughout the project and culminated in the demo week. We were really invested and committed into meeting the end goal. The IDS5R system is an open toolbox. We can add or take tools out as and when. It allows tools to be implemented as and when you need them to get the job done.
We talk in the industry about the valley of death, which is the abyss into which lots of fantastic ideas fall, and that is where we see our position. It's to help those great ideas be developed, help overcome that barrier to entry into the nuclear market, integrate great ideas and technology into an integrated system, and ultimately deploy something that's of significant benefit to the customer.